Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix payment declined in FaceApp. So if your payment is declined in the app, the issue almost always comes from your Apple billing setup, not FaceApp itself. So actually guys, first you will need to check your payments method. So all you need to do is to go with your phone settings or your device settings, tap it, and then just go and tap on your name here or your Apple's name, and then you will need to go with the payment and chip in option. It's the third option, as you can see. So once you tap it, you will need here to look for the expired card, wrong CCV or billing address, and insufficient balance. If you have one of these or a small mismatch, can cause a decline. Okay, and also guys, you will need to clear unpaid balances, and that very common. So Apple blocks new purchases if you owe anything. So you will need also to go to the settings and just go and tap on the search bar below. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need to look for media and purchases. Okay, so that's option at the top, as you can see. So once you tap it, now you will need to go with view account, and here where you can see or where you can check your purchase history. So if there is an unpaid charge, you must pay it first before FaceApp works. And also guys, do really want you to remove and re-add your payments method. So this refreshes the Apple's billing system. So just delete your current card, restart your iPhone, and then add it again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.